For today, our topic will be about secant method. For our past topic, which is the bisection method, it is all about root finding method. And for this secant method, it is a root finding algorithm. It uses a succession of roots of linear equations of secant lines to better approximate a root of a function f. In order to find that, you use the formula x2 will be equal to x0 minus the value of f of x1 multiplied by the value of x1 minus x0 all over f of x1 subtract the value of f of x0. For f of x, our equation will be x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1, and the values of x of 0 and x1 will become negative 0.5 and 1.5. We can get the true values of this equation by using our calculator and choosing mode 5 and then 4. So we're asked to get the iterations from 0 to 2. And first, we should list the values of x0, x1, x2, f of x0, and f of x1. First, we should list down these values of x0 and x1, which is negative 0.5, 1.5, and then in order to get the x2, we should use this formula, but first we should find the f of x0 and f of x1. For f of x0 and f of x1, we should just substitute the values of x0 and x1 to this f of x equation, and we'll have the value of 3 all over 8 and then negative 1 over 8. After that, we can now substitute these values in this formula, and we'll have 323 all over 344. For the next iteration, we'll just copy the value of x1 and x2 to be the new value of x0 and x1. So x0 will become 1.5, x1 will become 323 over 344. For f of x0, substitute 1.5 in f of x, which is equal to negative 1 over 8. And for f of x1, just substitute the value of x1 to f of x, which is equals to 0.0645. After that, substitute all those values again, and our x2 will become 1.69105. Just repeat what we've done on the iteration 1. Use this x1 and x2 values to become the next values of x0 and x1, which is 323 over 344, and x2 is 1.69105. Get f of x0 and f x1 just like in the first iteration. So value will become 0.064545, and then negative 0.7472. Substitute x0, x1, f of x0 and f of x1 in this equation for x2. And lastly, we'll have 0.1165. If you want to get the third iteration, just repeat the procedures from the iteration 1 and 2, and you'll just get the iteration 3. So I hope you learned a lot So thank you for watching.